Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a green juice, the best green juice, the healthiest, the most amazing green juice ever. So here we go. First you want to start off with the base, and the base is the most liquidy fruit that you have. So you want to start with green apples. Green apples are the best. I like to buy them bagged, and they come perfectly small so they can fit directly into the juicer. Then what you want to do is grab some celery. This is really good to use too. It's really healthy. It's all the craze. Everyone loves celery, so get that in there. Then my choice is baby kale blend. Now, it's not the best tasting, and everyone, some people don't like it, but this is the best, healthiest thing you can buy, is the baby kale blend. And then you want some lemons for added taste. So what you want to do is wash all your produce first. Wash it all. And once it's done being washed, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so what you want to do is you want to peel your lemons first. You don't want to leave the skin on. Now I know you can eat it, but it makes it super bitter. So try to get as much of the lemon peel off as you can. Even if you leave a little bit of it on, you'll still get that bitter, bitter taste. So try to get as much of the yellow off as you can. Okay, so for my recipe, I have 2 lemons. I have celery. So celery is very fibrous. There's all little strings. If you've ever had celery and you peel it like a cheese string, right? So that clogs up your juicer. So what you want to do is get these, and you want to chop them up as small as you can, so it gets rid of those fibers. It makes those fibers small, okay? And next is, so that's about 1 stalk of celery, and I'm gonna use about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 apples, 2 lemons, a stalk of celery, and also gonna use a whole bag of baby kale mix. Now you want to soak the baby kale in water for a good 10 minutes, just so it can absorb some of the water and get rid of any bacteria or anything that's in it. Okay, also I have a Kuvings whole slow juicer. Now these are pretty expensive. They start around $300, but they extract all the fiber out and only liquid comes through. You can use the other ones that you just drop in. They're a lot cheaper. They basically blend up the fruit with a blade. They crush it. This one squeezes it. You can use both. They both work. Which one is better? I don't really know, but this one, for me, is a lot better. The juice comes out more pure. So if you don't know what it is, it's a Kuvings whole slow juicer. Just search up whole slow juicers. We are gonna start. You always start with the hard fruit first. So put the hard fruit in, and you want to rotate between hard and, so hard and juicy fruit first. You'll see the juices coming out. Okay guys, and then that's it. you have an amazing, beautiful, fresh, healthy, clean, best tasting green juice that you'll ever have.